TBA Season 48 Philippine Cup. Semifinals Best of 7. Game 5 Full Highlights. Barangay Ginebra kontra Meralco Bolts. Pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss, magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pa-hit ng notification bell. Di kita ng laban na ito mga ka-Big Boss nang tie na ang kanilang standing. Meralco at Ginebra may tag 2 panalo na ang standing nila. Kayo mga ka-Big Boss, saan kayo sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat.
The 3-point shot, X inside the lane. No good. Faith is there for the BC. All game 5 sa RPTV para first quarter of game 3 has yet to score here. Clip on.
Always prioritize to create those big plays for his teammates. Gentlemen back.
Paliksin. LA spins the double. Mishandles. Tenorio with a pass. But Christian will reclaim the possession for Ginebra. Oh, they leave. Banquero launches
Another and get things done. Gentlemen back to you.
but now for them to turn that sort of momentum around and in their favor here. Tenorio overcooks it. He will get another crack at it. Close the game. They played 3 guards and as a result they played. And now Banquero is pushing for Meralco. Good pass. Almazan. Subscripts in the lane. Takes the 3. Dribbles it closer. That's his spot for Barangay Ginebra. Tenorio to Pringle. Top of Pringle to Christian. Good pass to Scott. Extra pass to Newsome. Attacks middle. Banquero. Open moment to 11 points. Pringle, the offensive rebound, they swing it. Pinto goes inside the Japet. Power forward right now. Tough pass there. Launched by Ganam. He recovers to stay in front of Stan Hardinger. Christian spins to his trunks. No good. Thompson with another offensive board for Ginebra. Scotty, the biggest lead of the ball game for Barangay Ginebra. Scotty for 3. Thompson. Spins again. 20 points in a single quarter. It means that this fourth coming from Nards Pinto that took Banquero out of position defensively, leading 12-2. Japet receiving that double-digit advantage. 3-point shot will bounce down points in 10 minutes when the Barangay Ginebra defense has not. They will need a barrage of 3.
Because they were already down by just 12 points.
That's number 4. Norbert Torres, Jono Mendoza.
But the 2 big men of Barangay Ginebra was also present.
Amaro Stead trying to use his size. He sets up Anjo Karam or the App Store and register now for free.
That's why this is a series, you know. Maybe the pressure next came from...
Alco to have a better performance in Game 5.
Well,
We know that this is a team that is willing to run. What did Barangay Ginebra do to take that off about Ali Maliksi and how he scored 11 points?